How to use Gencraft photo and videos generator. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use AI photo and video generator application named Gencraft. So without any delay, let's get into it. Now here I have shown you an example of the photo which was edited using Gencraft. As you can see, this photo was created by the AI generated in Gencraft application. It uses all the features like 3D. So if you want to create a photo of your own, all you need to do is open this application and write your demand. Now as you can see in this picture, the difference is the background. Now if you want to change the background of your original picture, you can use this Gencraft application. In this application, you can create AI generated photos and videos or convert your normal photo into it. Now these are the few features which are available in this application. The 2D and 3D feature, advanced option. By editing your picture through this all feature in Gencraft application, you will be able to create AI generated image and video. So that's it. That is how easily you can use the application Gencraft. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.